Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening, students.
Good
Evening,
ma'am.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
I'm
Good.
How about you?
I'm fine too, thank you. And who is absent today?
No, ma'am.
Nothing. Okay. I will call you
No
one by one. Aris, are you here?
I think it's complete.
Aris, are you here? Okay.
Yeah, presents.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Presents, ma'am.
Before we start our lesson today, let's say Bismillah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, students. Today our lesson is about asking and giving opinion. I will explain first about asking and giving opinion. So asking is bertanya or meminta, and giving is memberi atau response, and opinion is opini atau pendapat. Asking and giving opinion means an expression used to ask or answer or express an opinion. Let me share the slide first. Can you see the slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So, this is asking for someone's opinion. For example, what do you think about? Bagaimana menurutmu tentang? What do you suggest? Apa pendapatmu? What is your opinion? Apa pendapatmu? What is your point of view? Apa pendapatmu? Have you got any thoughts on this? Punya saran soal ini? Do you have any views on this? Punya saran soal ini? Do you have any idea? Ada saran? How about? Bagaimana kalau? And then the next is giving an opinion. There are three categories of giving opinion. The first is vague, when you are not really sure about your opinion. It is includes I'm not sure but, aku tidak yakin tapi, I could be wrong but, mungkin aku salah tapi, I'm not expert but, bukan ahlinya tapi, I tend to think that, aku merasa bahwa, I feel that, aku merasa bahwa, I suppose, aku rasa. And the second category is medium. This is in the middle of weak and strong. I would like to point out that, in my opinion, I honestly think that, I think, the way I see it is that, and the strong, when you have a strong opinion, you're really sure. I strongly believe that, I really believe that, I am convinced that, I'm certain that, from my point of view, there is no doubt in my that. Do you understand? Students?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Understand.
Good. I will continue. This is the example of asking and giving opinion expression. Please two of you read this conversation. Please. I will give you more point if you read this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Aris. And one of you become Kania or Kinan. Maybe Rohma. Can you read this?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read this?
Okay. Example of asking and giving opinion expression.
Yes.
Kina. I am an Aris, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Aris, are you ready?
Okay. Who is Kinan and who is Tania?
Aci will be Kinan and you can be Kania.
Okay, Oci.
Okay, let's go. Kania, please help me choosing the best dress to wear tonight.
Okay, what occasion is it?
It's my best friend's birthday party.
Oh, I see.
What do you think about this one?
I think it's too bright. Do you have another color?
What about this one?
Oh, that's nice. I would say it should to hair and skin color.
Thank you, Kania.
Okay, thank you, Mbak Oci and Aris.
Yes, ma'am.
Good job. And from this
You're welcome, ma'am.
dialogue, you can see that the example of asking opinion is here. What do you think about this one? And then giving opinion, I think it's too bright. And asking opinion again, what about this one? And this is asking giving opinion. That's nice. I would say it's with your hair and skin color. So until now, do you understand? Students,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
great. The next slide. I'm sorry. Wait for a moment. This is the exercise for you. Please study, read number 1 and answer it.
Okay. Eric, I think our city is very hot at the moment. Era, I don't think so. Blah blah blah. Our city is much cooler than other cities in this country. Complete
Yes.
the dialogue above. The answer is B. I'm thinking of
Are you sure?
no. I think it's D in my opinion.
That's right. So the answer is D in my opinion. And the
Okay.
second, the number 2, Ananda Firdaus, can you?
Okay, mom. So, what do you think of my singing? John, it's really good, but I suggest to try singing in a hit tune. Dev, thanks, John. John, no problem, Dev. No problem. No problem, Dev. From the dialogue above, John is giving an opinion. B.
That's right. Great, Ananda.
Thank you.
I think all of you have understand about asking and giving opinion. So, before we end our meeting today, I will give you assignment. Please make a simple dialogue about asking and giving opinion on a paper and submit it to my table. The deadline is next week. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
So before
Okay.
we end our meeting today, anyone want to ask a question?
No, ma'am.
I think no, ma'am.
Okay. No? Okay, let's close our meeting with saying hamdalah together. Alhamdulillah. Okay, students. Really nice to see you next week. See you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, ma'am.